All right. Are you someone who always attracted to people who want to receive from you, who are just toxic for you, who doesn't provide you enough, who just breadcrumbing you, who easily try to manipulate you? Why are you attracted to these kind of people? Why you are not able to stay away from these people? Why? I have seen so many young women. I have seen so many young guys as well. Young or whatever, I mean, just so many people out there who just attracted to these kind of toxic people and call it love, call it their happy ending, call it their la la land. Are you stupid? I mean, you are, but just do not show it to the world that you are stupid. You know, these kind of people only give you this much to just hang around. They are not willing to provide you the world. They can give it to other person, but they are not giving it to you because they do not respect you, because that's how they feel about you. No Xander here. People only give little to people they feel little about. If I have, for example, if I love someone, I can give that person a world. No matter if I felt broke, I try to give them everything that they deserve or need or want from me. Or just I just ready to give it to them. If I have 100 rupees note and the only note that I have, I'll give it to the person I love. Because why? Because I love that person. Because that's how I feel about that person. So the person who is doing less for you, they feel less about you. That's a harsh reality. It hurts. Ouch. Sorry, baby, but it hurts. You have to take notes, ladies. You have to. Or guys. Anyone who is not willing to provide you, to give you anything, emotional support, mentally, physically, financially, whatever, they that's how they feel about you. They are not feel anything other than what they are showing to you. No matter what they are saying, I am not saying what they are saying. Words means nothing without actions. Words can lie to you, words can manipulate you, only words can manipulate you. In fact, if you see their actions, if you focus on their actions all the time, you will know the truth, baby. You will know the truth. Maybe you will not accept it, but you will know it. The day you start seeing people's action towards you, towards others as well, towards their past, towards their accesses, whatever, you will notice the difference. You will notice how things changed, how reality hits. Actions gives you truth. Actions gives you clarity. Actions gives you everything that you need. Actions gives you all the answers. Only words can manipulate other people. And that's why so many toxic people have good communication. I'm not saying all good communicators are toxic, but it's a right thing to say that all the toxic people has good communication. They just swipe you away with their communication skills, with their words. They make you fall hard in love with themselves through their words, only through their words. Their initial actions means nothing as well. In the first 6 months or 1 year, whatever they are doing for you, it's a complete manipulation. See that in that way. Maybe they are not a manipulator, but you have to see this in this way so that you can protect your heart, baby. You can protect yourself because it's the reality nowadays. People can pretend to anything or anyone in order to get what they want. And once they get what they want, they will show you the real themselves. You only see somehow people's real color through their actions only, or when they are angry, or when they do not get what they want. That's the bitter truth. That's the reality. When a person doesn't get what they really want from you, you will see their true side. They will treat you like shit. They will treat you like you are nobody because you are not providing them anything or not the thing that they want. Stay away from these people. Stay away from victim mentality people. Some people have this victim mentality that everything happens with him, not because of him. Maybe they are the problem creator. Maybe they are the main reason behind the problem. But they always pretend that the problem happens to them, not because of them. That they are the victim. That everything just blame on them. That everyone is not giving them enough. They are always in that victim side. Maybe they blame you for the problems in the relationship, or in any of the sense they always try to find someone to blame on rather themselves. They never see themselves as a wrong person. They never see problem in themselves. They have that victim mentality, and stay away from these people, because one day they will turn on you and they will make you the problem. They will blame you for everything happens to them, maybe because of themselves. So just stay away from these people. Do not make your life hell, babies. Do not make your life hell because of these kind of people. Love is a different thing. Personality is a different thing. You know, some people can be good but not a good person for you. It's a harsh reality. And stay away from people who just want to take, not want to provide, who always find people with selfless intentions and they have their selfish motives. Or stay away from people who do not want to take their own responsibility and want everything in their life. Like they somehow think that they deserve the world, people should provide them, everyone should give them everything, or the best things, but they are not willingly to work for that thing. They are not ready to work for that thing. They are not willingly to work for that thing. They do not want to work, they want everything. So toxic, so toxic. These people just make your life so hell because they always make you feel guilty for not providing enough. Maybe you are giving them everything possible that you have, but they always make you feel guilty. That's how they operate. That's how they live. They always try to make you feel guilty to not giving them enough. And that's how they live. And that's so, so unfair, so bitter. Please stay away from these people. They will make your life hell. You will end up getting hurt, empty. You will end up getting unsatisfied, feeling guilty, feeling empty and depressed, honey. So just stay away from these people. You are my family, guys. I don't want you to suffer like this. And I am teaching this to myself as well. Let's stay away from these people, Apurvi. They are not the one that deserve us. We are good human beings. We are selfless. We can provide a world to our loved ones, but we also deserve the person who literally worships the ground we walk on. So just stay away from these people. That's my message for you. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.